The 3D files for this build were purchased on Etsy from Products of Design. I'll have a link in the description below. This is what the chest piece looks like when all the parts are inserted into Mesh Mixer. There are a total of 20 different parts that make up the chest plate. Each piece will be individually printed on the 3D printer with PLA filament. It will take approximately 51 hours to print all the parts. Here are all 20 3D printed parts. Each one of these parts will be smoothed by using a palm sander and then hand sanded. The soldering iron is used to smooth out edges of the pieces and remove excess stringing. The larger pieces were first palm sanded off screen. Each piece is then hand sanded with 180 grit sandpaper. After being sanded, the parts are ready for the first coat of primer. After initial priming, the parts are sanded again with 240 grit sandpaper. A palm sander is not recommended for this process because it can strip too much of the primer off the parts. Most of the print lines should have been removed during the initial sanding process. After sanding, the parts are ready for assembly. Pieces are soldered together. Sometimes super glue can be used as well to tack the parts into place. After being assembled, the entire part is primed one more time, followed by sanding with 400 grit sandpaper. After sanding, 2 coats of metallic black paint are applied. Masking tape is used to separate the bat symbol from the rest of the chest plate. The bat symbol is then painted metallic gold, followed by clear gloss over the entire chest piece. Craft foam is added to the inside of the chest plate to better match the contour of my body. As you can see, some straps and magnets have already been attached. I will have a separate video detailing how I connected all the pieces of the suit together.
Well, that's it for this build. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.